Hi, my name is Joan and I'm working on learning Irish, or Gaeilge. And I don't have anybody here in Ketchikan, Alaska to practice with. And all I have so far is like a free app on my phone and just some free resources I found online. So I'm working on building a vocabulary, just doing lots of repetition, listening to radio and Gaeltacht in my sleep. And so anyway, I'm going to read some things for you that I've been working on, memorizing just the words in general. Haven't been memorizing phrases. And if you have some Irish, please tell me in the comments how I did. Constructive criticism is welcome. Diagwit, kare maratatu. Moranamadan edit. Tamguma, kinquia will too. Tamguma, gurav mahagat. Kadasanam dit. Michael lisanam dit. Kadasanam dit. Joan lisanam dit. Kadastit. Isis korkig dom. Kadastit. Isis balya ahaklia dom. Kertgalor, te ahasoram bulalat. Slán. Slán. Gofam lashgil, kawil an lehers. Anshin. Gofam lashgil, kadavolfa. Café. Kert galore, coveda tire. Dare. An walate. Tashe shos of lasta. An moi. An billa masheda hale. Kert galore. Gurav mahagat. To falterot. Okay, so those I at least phrased as like pseudo-conversations, and then there's just kind of a list of other words that I'm getting and phrases, but I haven't gotten yet to like any of the connecting words or how to put things together, so it's just a list. Moranamarna dit, diagwitum chranona, ihawa, anish anocht amurak, era eranok, Gaeltacht, Berla, Foilta, Slainta, Caur, Owen, Go, Tree, Me, Tu, Mah, Olk, Sho, Shin, Anshin, Ansho, Te Grogum dit, Te Bronerum, Gunairi lat, Begonin, Mur, Beog, Cara, Bukl, Kalin, Far, Ban, Kat, Modra, Chuck, Turna, Shroid, Bocher, Ishke, Kacher, Olin, Der, Ser, Café, Te, Beur, Nebakle, Makken, Vakig, Gisni, Vakig, Mak, and Vakig, Lat. Okay, that's all I've got so far. Please tell me what you think. Thanks for your help.